third crypto in the world, biggest coin that any exchange have. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm presenting you Binance Coin for the first time on this channel. Not only that we're gonna do some technical analysis on BNB versus USD, I'm gonna give you some price predictions. I'm gonna give you the levels where this coin could be surging in the next few days, weeks, you choose. But before all that, let's roar together.
Crypto investor must.
So have you listened to the Master Yoda? You know he is a wise one. Have you picked your project? Have you picked your favorite crypto? Bitcoin, Binance Coin, altcoins. There is a sea of good projects out there. You just have to pick. We're in a bull market. Don't stand on the sidelines all the time. And then, at the peak, do a FOMO thing. Maybe now is the time to think about your future. Maybe now is the time you make a change. And maybe now is the time you join us. You click that subscribe button. You become a part of the community. It is completely free. And some say it is providing a value. We're welcoming you. And now, I want to see what's moving in the top 10. Let's go. This is what I was just talking about. So much potential to the upside. I mean, look at the green fields. Everything in the top 10 is green, except the Tether. But he's a stable coin. He lives in the stables and he never moves. Binance Coin, the one recovering today, at the moment 12.68% to the upside. But he just started. He rested around 1 month and now regained its upward momentum again. Stick around till the end of the video, when we will give you some price levels, also when we will analyze all this happening. But ladies and gentlemen, the one proclaimed dead, the one dethroned from the third place, is now moving higher in the ranks. XRP, 42.53% to the upside in the 24 hours. 97 cents, ladies and gentlemen. It seems that we're gonna knock on the $1 door. Exciting times for all the XRP holders. You were mocked, but I think you can say who's laughing now. If you're into XRP, be sure to check out our videos. We got a few of those. We even make some price predictions. But let's not leave the page without mentioning one guy, Wink. He's really winning 30% to the upside. We made analysis on the Wink. We made price predictions. Be sure to check it out if you're in coin and if you're interested where it is heading. Finally, Binance Coin versus USD daily chart. What is going on right now? Our playing field for today, daily chart of Binance Coin versus dollar. So every candle that you're seeing on the screen is one day. This video is not the long-term picture. It's about what is happening day from day. So in the next few weeks. And of course, right now, first of all, we got to establish one simple thing. And you know it, right? Binance Coin is bullish. Of course. Can it be any other way with this price action? Absolutely not. You even formed lines. Where would you put it? How about this simplicity? Just one line from the start. This is first day of February, start of this enormous bull run to the upside. Then a consolidation period. And a few days ago, end of March, second point support. In my opinion, BNB for now is respecting this trend line like an uptrend support. And you can see that right now we are hovering around that trend line. We are not touching it at the moment, but this could be a poisoning, like a positioning for a bigger move to the upside. Of course, like in every video, I just gotta warn you, anytime BNB can do this. and become short-term bearish. If this trend line is broken, that I'm afraid we're gonna take another narrative. For now, that is not the case, and nothing that I see on the screen, which I will show you in even more details, is showing me bearishness. Everything is screaming bullish. Now you can't expect coin, any coin for that matter, to be parabolically bullish like at this trend line. Look at this. All of this area supported right here, a new touch and a position to the upside. But of course, all good things, and parabolic ones especially, have to come to an end. In here, we broke this parabolic one to the upside, and I know that many of you are expecting it. You don't want to see this. You don't want to see any coin go sideways. You just want to see this. Especially, you don't want to see this. Keep in mind that trend cannot be healthy if we don't have at least this consolidation. This is nothing serious. I mean, please, if you can't handle this consolidation, then how would you handle downward trajectory? Keep things in perspective, and the profit will find a way to your pockets. As I said, we had that parabolic move. After that, consolidation period, which now ended, we're again regaining our upwards momentum. Now think about it this way. If we go a little into the past, we had this support, and you can see many touches. This was the end of last year, and even January of this year, and all of this area was high support. We lived very close to this line, and then from, let's say, out of nowhere, a big bull run, a big explosion to the upside. Now I'm showing you this just for one purpose. Maybe this area right now, if we get back this trend line, is the same fractal that was happening here in this upward trend line, but much calmer, let's say. This was also a bullish period. We didn't move like a rocket ship, but we were bullish. We were going to the upside, just as we are doing right now. Maybe BNB is just replicating this. Maybe this move is this move. And as you can see, what happened after this move. Maybe we are in the waiting period of something like this. We will see. Those are just my thoughts that I'm putting on the screen. You can agree or disagree with me. I'm not a financial advisor, not in any case, nor I will ever tell you buy or sell. Charts are speaking to me and I'm speaking to you. That's it. So, how about that? Is it a possibility? Well, there is always a possibility. And in my mind, even a probability. Why? Because for the one simple fact, we broke this resistance at around $336. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, skies ahead of us. Open space. Is there anything that's stopping BNB to go into that price discovery territory? Right now, nothing. And yes, we can retest one more time this level, $336. But all in all, this is a bullish price action, a bullish price development. Now, since we are talking about that price discovery, now let's find out what are those levels that we could be heading to in the next few weeks. Remember, this is a daily chart, this is not a weekly chart, so this would be a long term, like in the next few months. In the next few weeks, I'm saying, Binance Coin is bullish. Of course, always keep that reserve that if Bitcoin plunge, if everything goes to the downside, also Binance Coin will take a dip. For now, that is not the case. For now, we don't see that on the screen. If those trend lines I gave you broke, that would be a signal, that would be that sign. Now, based on the one tool that we are using on this channel, and you probably know which tool it is, Fibonacci reversal retracement tool, it will give us extensions to the upside to see where BNB could be heading in the next few weeks. We will use this high of the February, and at the same time also this low of February. Now I will combine those two together, and there it is. We just got ourselves those levels that we need. This is everything you need. You can see that right now at this moment I'm speaking, BNB is on its way to 161.8 extension that is standing at $431. So $431 in the next few days. Let's go even further. The extension of 261.8 is telling us that after we breach that level, we are going to $577. Are you with me? Good, because I presume very soon after that we will see the extension of 361.8 on levels of $722. And now I hope you're ready, because I will reveal to you in all of its glory for 23.6% retracement and I think extension at this case $812. That's it. It's that simple. Right now we are standing at $379 and I'm telling you, if this bull run continues to the upside, if it remains bullish and not cross certain support lines, BNB is heading towards the $812. Should we overperform it and push right through it? Well, yes, that is a high possibility. Please keep in mind, levels like this are just a framework of what you could be thinking about. I'm just giving you some rough numbers. Of course, that we don't have to go exactly at that point. We could overperform it. We could go to higher levels, lower levels. I'm giving you frame of mind. I'm giving you bullish narrative with of course corrections on the way. Don't expect any coin to go up with no red days, with no correction. That is not possible. If you're expecting this, I suggest you leave the space, crypto space, investing space, trading space, because you will have a rough time. You will not be successful. Patience is one thing that you really need. Embrace the markets. Embrace the red days that will come along this very explosive and powerful bull run. So, if you haven't figured out by now, BNB versus USD on the daily chart. In the short term, yes, I'm giving BNB thumbs up. You go, girl, or boy, or whatever you are. And right now, I'm hoping that you too are giving thumbs up to this video to help me spread the word through the YouTube platform. Also, if you're interested in another crypto, check out one of these videos. We are also making all sorts of price prediction and we are also analyzing cryptos for you. So I suppose a win-win situation. BNB to you, my friend.